Pia Pano. And I make us a name of my pedida Mahama. Sign him away saying Nano. Or the Borgana form. As animal when you are not seeing this game to me, and you global pandemic, and the crime global pandemic mono. Nanado fear teachers, that's so coso. One day should one factory, that's so coso. Planting for food and jobs, that's so coso. A brand new pandemic, His Excellency the President, my free water, my free electricity. Mahama in the pandemic by no catch say we should be prepared to pay more for electricity. What you are, be the master movie, or Mampeni that Mahama dear.
Yo,
no question is in the mono. Na, sir, after never pan of to my pa. You near do so no. Yes, one thing happened. Hey, never watch it. Never watch it. Japan. Former MP no. Former Akan. Said your Cronto. What you are not the Sumina. So, what is the movie of the car? They are in a Yensim. Or see, Ashantes, a person by a president. You can't quite seat. Nana, Jina Sudi. I have the audio. Jina Sudi. Oh, Nana, the audio. I'm going to tell you. TME, Mena, TME. Jina Sudi na TNE no. Mempesa wo beka kwaka nyabotre na TNE no. Nyabotre Jina Sudi mame.
Also a brother from Kumau. Dr. Otumfuo, have you won your seat before? Charity begins at home. Have you won it before? Who should do the monkey job for you to become a president of this country? And he's also my brother. I am an Ashanti, you know, Otumfuo. He's from Kumau. You have never won it. Never have you won the regional chairman. So you see, the campaign, after I finish with them, the campaign is finished. You don't waste your time. Let's come to Kwajo Bonsu or Zebonsu. He is from Offenso. I'm wondering why the Ashantes are so eager to become president when they are not doing their homework well. But it's a good brain, you know. The three of them can win the 3 seats for us. Charity begins at home. Go there and win the seat for us before we can think about you. But if you don't do it and you are showing your face, you are just giving us troubles. Ladies and gentlemen, NDC respects hard work. We respect commitment. We also respect loyalty. The next person is also a brother from Kumau.
Nana, also any idea how now?
I'm wondering why Ashantes are so eager to become president when they have not done their homework. Such a despicable statement.
NDC amanyo kuonumu wabo Dr. Kwabnadofo wabo Kwajo Bonsu se mufri constituencies.
Look at the phrase one boy boy. I am wondering why the Ashantes are eager to become president when they have not done their homework. What are you talking about?
Enya Asante 4 year wo NDC amanyo ko masem no ka say wo munya adwuma Asante mantem no be.
When I speak, I see them okasa. When you yourself you have said now Ashanti region, Emma with the second highest vote. So when you have Dr. Kwabnadofo Wabe, Governor Bank of Ghana, more time, hasn't he supported the party financially? And your man eka. Because you want to me on your party person. So how can you, Oti, a regional chairman, say such despicable thing about Ashanti? Say, I'm wondering why the Ashantis are eager to become president when they have not done their homework well. And nobody has condemned this. You see, I keep saying, the way I almost share. And I'm expecting former President Mahama it won't call Otumfuo anymore. Now I to Otumfuo. I'm wondering why Ashanti so capable to address Ashanti regional. Then you will have the regional chairman on your own campaign platform going to me rebuke, saying I'm wondering why the Ashantis are eager to become president when they have not done their homework. What?
Yo, Nana, Mammy Fonsi and I support to Makwajo Bonsu Dr. Otumfuo de Jamo Mobakura Bakwa campaign.
No, maybe look at
and you'll be a fair. Yakasano, the Master. Hey, are you Mufempo? The Master. Eti no yam stadium mutino. Saa nsem hu ya na mudi stadium man mana. Di saa na yenso so saa na yemfa mo ye bra na. E ho na bibia da me kan se enye wa adwene se MDC ana MPP to so ana NDC ba automatic bibia be session ho ti se de da bi yemwa se de be ti ma criticize yem panyimfo no yemwa and on this note men say NDC for so say omo leadership no they are becoming unnecessarily tough on Ghana's development because ka se cross mo a so timbi ye nyina ba bia ya bedu no ye nim se o twemu tan a age yensem apaska it is say here mo afri IMF a in their own small way ade o betima ye de aboa ye bia masa ade na timi aba no omomoa it's only one Ghana ye twi da resa na ye mu ye ho na ye tutu ayam pia kire ye ho sa no it's only one Ghana ye ministers omomko no munko ye omadwuma e say de bia meka all of us we are calling for equity by ensa wo nyina afọ ye nyina we are falling short of that so called equity na ye kan wasen ye nyina we are guilty. So if you want to open up fresh pages, let's do that as a country collectively and hold people accountable and responsible, but not people out of mischief and political gains and capital at the expense of the country. Unfortunately, we are a bunch of vulnerable people. You understand the near unnecessarily partisan instead of thinking Ghana. MPP became and this big chum. All these titles said that as soon now my hand cabana santi one in team jackery one be a baby chumako. So space now when you know. Fill that space well. Said the beya uniwa. Obi be si one nema. Yabe bo din de biara da. Say MPP for what you dey nyam ni kureni. Ya ye hu say o man no kopa. Nene ubet makasa chiro. Because all to the fukra no posa. All to the no posa. Baby, if we all don't adjust, especially government in power, if we don't adjust, let me go back and quote Dr. Baumia: contractors suffering, teachers suffering, producers suffering, mates suffering, Anglican suffering, Romans, everybody is suffering. So there's a need to adjust and give us a certain hope that even in the midst of the storm, yen ye crash no, yesa shebo bose, yesa say ties no, yesa say ni suade hunu, yesa say suni e bai no. Ye betimi di mako akodu bosha asase. In fact, am for more nukra na, e beka break tikiti bi na modu. Ti di obi beto aso say yankasa, ana say NDC ana CPP no. Sa hankofo no, omo mbreke say omo. But any administration of Obagan ya manye same from 1992. Obi a take over omonyon party no moku ye kora o. Omo say ye bi ye sika sem, ye djuma sem, bibia butu. Oh, Debbie. Baby, akodu here. Where they intimi kora. Hey, baby, I'm going to akodu here. Na for Froswaba. The same chorus, the same line. We are just a bunch of people recycling our so-called thoughts and thinking that we are developing.
But my only a walk NDC amanyuko letters and saying be say minim say no directive will say order say yentumi and differentiate between amanyuko NDC no any members of parliament no a oman say yenhu say MPs na adwuma no ye running from NDC headquarters ana say members of parliament na ankasa ntumi take decision bia this say a sanction from headquarters one more ansa na atumi aye adwuma because from near walking letter no mensa ka bia mehwe mu no oman se party ne be ma directive say ma member of parliament bia ntu kwan wo a watu kwan bia ba bia wo bia san bra campaign o mo ye wo constituencies ahodo nyina no obi nyai na we no nya de say bi kura decision na ye nim panimfo ateki you ne party ne kan se ne munye ni minim because we bisa members of parliament no man unim ne omoka oh ye ni ha wo ho eso kukuwa mu di akrain Kukuamu no musu. Because when you say some omu nye campaign na, nipa no omu ni omu si akan no, constituency omu ni omu ye campaign no.
Well, okay, I'm a catcher. I say, where we have gotten to, when we are the ones that were before Beukru, I can only suggest to the NDC, say you could know Abedom. Indeed, who say, now, and you know, Cresse will be a member of parliament or serve the interest of the constituency. It's not true. It's not true. And to say a tear from that angle, no, say a person Daniel stand for the best, but say no member of parliament. And also not on the constituency, even though at the back of a political party. But the constituency no and our serve interest. Unless the constituency Nankasa will become one and loyal to some members of parliament who can defy certain party positions and in the interest of the bigger picture Ghana. Because the way you know be konna akrana if we say Ghana